Let's learn about the ABC of gardening, that is gardening basics. The first thing is when to plant the seeds. The plantation of the seed varies as per their life cycle in every season. It is a big no-no to plant the seeds in the wrong season, as you will have to wait a lot and seeds may fail to germinate in the wrong season. Life cycle of plants. There are three types of life cycle of plant: annuals, biennials and perennials. Now we are going to see one by one each of them and understand it in a better way. What are annuals? To understand it in a simple manner, the plants which complete their life cycle in a year are called as annuals. That is, the seeds will grow till the plants and we will get fruits all in the 1 year. And afterwards the plants die. For example, the beautiful yellow and maroon annual plain corapses, which you can see on screen. What are biennials? Plants which complete their life cycle in 2 years are called as biennials. In the first year, their shrubs and bushes grow, and in the second year, we get the flowers and fruits. The gorgeous purple colored foxglove, which you can see on screen. What are perennials? Plants which always remain with us are called as perennials. Finally, we have found our choice of plants and need not to buy them again. Generally, the top portion of the plant dies in winter and it regrows in the summer. Purple clone flower is the example of this. Which type of soil to use? There are 3 types of soil mainly. Number 1, sandy. As the name suggests, it consists of sand only. Number 2, loamy. The mixture of all 3 types of soil in equal quantities is called loamy. Clay is very soft soil which consists of clay only. Water requirement. As we have different requirement of water in different season, same is for plants. Some loves to be hydrated and some need very less water. So water your plants accordingly. Don't give them too much more or less water. Sunlight requirement. Some plants need 8 to 10 hours of sunlight, such as sunflower, marigold, mogra, and some needs very less or no sunlight at all. For example, indoor plants. So please make sure the placement of your plants are placed accordingly and don't do vice versa. Always plants should be in the favorable conditions. Fertilizer requirement. As the nutrition requirement for each and every human is different, same is the case for plants. Some require too much amount of phosphorus while some needs more nitrogen. So please do not give the same fertilizer to each and every plant. I hope you learned the ABC of gardening, and if you have any doubts related to gardening, please post in the comment section. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.